Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Get some sun with Pazzies here, and we're going to review the Mediterranean Palace in the Playa De Las Americas, Tenerife. This is the hotel's reception area where we was greeted with a glass of sparkling wine, and the hotel staff took our suitcases to the room for us. Yes, so guys, looking at the hotel for the first time, it looks very grand inside. Some massive chandeliers hanging from the glass ceiling above. The hotel was done up very festive. There's Christmas trees dotted throughout the building. There's some nice festive decorations. So they'd put some effort into it to make you feel Christmassy. This was filmed during Christmas week. We actually booked into the hotel from Boxing Day, and it was for 7 nights, so we was there for New Year's Eve. So here's a bit of a seating area outside the hotel. As we pan upwards, I don't actually know what that is. We never got to find out. If you do know what that is, if you stayed here before, leave me a comment below. So guys, this is the pool area. There was hundreds of sunbeds. In the middle of the summer, I should imagine a high peak season. You're going to have to get down there early and reserve a sunbed. Although there are literally hundreds of sunbeds down there. You shouldn't really struggle. The waters looked very inviting. I didn't actually go in myself, but they did look very inviting indeed. But just at the back of the hotel, you've actually got a beach and the sea. So you could always go for a swim in there if there is no sun lounges available. So there is a little shop on the first floor, but it doesn't have much on the shelves. A few bathroom accessories like shavers, etc. Bit of snacks, tins of beer, pop. That's about it really. This is the outdoor eating area for the restaurant, and this is the restaurant. The food was not really up to much, to be honest with you guys. Sausages, your bog standard Spanish sausages, a few German sausages. English sausages didn't look like they'd been cooked, to be honest with you. Eggs was a bit wishy-washy. Bacon was like cardboard. What can I say? It was food. It was there if you was hungry, but I wouldn't keep going back to the restaurant. Most nights we ate out. So guys, here's the main part of the review, the hotel room. So upon arrival was given 2 key cards, which is great because it means you can leave one in the slot for your devices to charge. Now please keep in mind that this was filmed on the last day of us staying at the hotel, as it's a review. You need to experience somewhere to be able to review it. So you have your usual standard double bed, 2 single beds pushed together. There was 2 twin chairs. Now the decor in the room did look very 1990s. It had a lick of paint, but the tiles look original. The furniture looks original. And I believe the hotel was built in the 90s, and I don't think it's been touched since. So this is your wardrobe. It's a spacious wardrobe. Big mirrors on there. This is your double bed, 2 single beds pushed together, as I say. Sorry about the mess. It is the day that we was leaving. So you do have a safe in there, which you literally put in your own code. It's open when you come to the room. You put your own code in, close it, and that's your code for the safe for the rest of the week. The furniture in the wardrobe looked a little bit banged up. It's very, very old. I don't think it's been changed since the hotel's been built. However, they are talking about refurbishing the hotel very, very soon. So hopefully it'll be much nicer to stay in. Now, plug sockets. The only plug sockets we could find in our room was one in the wardrobe here. And then as we walk over here, there's another one under this shelf. So you're going to be a little bit stuck for charging devices. It was a bit inconvenient. We was having to use battery banks because the only 2 other sockets was down here, which was for the mini fridge and the TV. The kettle we asked reception for. It wasn't in the room originally, so we had to leave a deposit on that. That was your TV, which I think is a 32-inch TV, maybe. Now, if you have a look at the top of this cabinet here, it is filthy. Now, we didn't use the top of the cabinet, as you can see. There's nothing been placed on there, and it is covered in dust. So that doesn't look like a room that's been cleaned every day for the last 7 days. If you look across the top of it, you can see hair, there's dust, there's crumbs. This room hasn't been cleaned in the last 7 days. Look at the floor, guys. So there's hair, there's bits of dust, dirt. So this is the only drawer storage underneath the main shelf. I wasn't very happy about the cleanliness of the room. They did give you fresh bath towels every day, but I don't think that the bed sheets were changed every day. Your beds was made up, but I don't think the actual sheets was changed every day. I think it was changed about 3 times in the week. So if you look inside the drawers, you can see the inside of the drawers are full of dust and dirt. Very disappointing with the cleanliness. Although there was, you can even see that the TV remote control is absolutely plastered in dust, like it's not been picked up for the last 2 years. This is your bathroom, so you've got a twin sink affair, massive mirror, which when the mirror was steamed, you got a hairdryer as well. When the mirror was steamed up, you could see that the mirror hadn't been cleaned either, because it showed up all the handprints and everything. So you got a power socket underneath your hairdryer, you got your toilet, and you got a bidet, and then a towel rack. And a telephone next to the toilet, which we didn't use. I mean, who really wants to touch a telephone, which is next to a toilet? And then you have your shower, which was a very powerful shower, very good to use. So guys, thank you very much for watching another review from Get Some Sun with Paz. And I'm going to score this hotel, the Mediterranean Palace in Playa De Las Americas, Tenerife, a 6 out of 10. Maybe I'll come back when it's been fully refurbished. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.